So hi guys, in this video I came up with some doubts asked by a few students, and this is a doubt sent by Sophie Mary 10 from Philippines. So let's see what is that doubt and how can we get the solution for that. Yeah guys, this is the doubt sent by Sophie. So let's see uh, how we can solve this. Right, so in the first one, chlorination of 2,4-hexadiene. So it is a conjugated dienes. So when a conjugated diene is there, an addition reaction generally will happen, and that addition reaction, two types of additions can happen. So that is 1,2 addition and 1,4 addition. So let's see what is that. So first we'll write the structure substrate molecule, and then we'll see how can we do that 1,2 and 1,4 addition there. So chlorination of 2,4-hexadiene. So 2,4-hexadiene first we'll write. So this is 2,4-hexadiene. So total 6 carbons, second carbon, and fourth carbon having the double bonds. So this is 2,4-hexadiene. So it is a conjugated diene. So and let us say chlorination. So chlorination means here I'm going to add chlorine to the molecule, right? So for that I can add HCl. So addition of HCl you can say. So if you are adding HCl to it. So HCl is an acid, so initially it produces the H plus ion. So H plus ion is supposed to attack the higher electron density region. Okay, so higher electron density region means we have a double bonded carbons there, which is higher electron density region. So one of the double bonds it will attack. Okay, so H plus ion is here. So this H plus ion, let us say it is attacking on this carbon, second carbon, right? So once the H plus ion attack happened, then what will happen is, so the compound will be attached with the H plus ion. So that particular carbon where it is attached will get the positive charge from that. So here H plus ion I'm attaching. So once H plus ion attached, so the positive charge will be coming onto the carbon. Okay, because the electron density from carbon it is taken. So this sigma bond now it is supposed to be moving towards the positive charge. So to reduce that positive charge there. So now what will happen now? It will get the positive charge on the next carbon, alpha. Okay. So next carbon gets the positive charge, alpha carbon. So here, what is the alpha carbon means? This is the alpha carbon we have. So positive charge will be shifted to this carbon. Okay. So next here, CH, double bond CH. This is becoming, this is normal there. And here positive charge shifted to this carbon. And here single bond because double bond already moved. So here CH2, CH3, right? So now bromine can directly, that Cl minus, sorry, not bromide. So this Cl minus ion directly it can attach here. Okay, or attach on the C plus ion, or else at the same time. So there will be a conjugation between, there is a conjugation between pi bond and positive charge. So the positive charge and pi bond in conjugation. So there will be a shifting of sigma bond also can happen. So if the shifting of sigma bond happens, so then the positive charge will shift to the fourth carbon. Okay, from there. So let's see what happens here. So this compound now it can undergo. Okay, let us say this is intermediate number 1. And next here, a shifting of positive charge. That means now this pi bond is moving towards this positive charge, and the positive charge next it will go to this carbon here. Okay, because from there pi bond we are removing. Okay, pi bond we are shifting. So here I'll be getting positive. Next here single bond is there, and here double bond will come because pi bond is shifted to that place. Now this is another intermediate we'll be getting now after the shifting of positive charge. Okay. So now this is the second intermediate. So from first intermediate, I can get the final product, and also from the second intermediate, we'll get the product. Okay. So that's why we'll be getting two different products. So here with the first intermediate, first carbocation, if you are getting, that is called as 1,2 product. Okay, 1,2 addition product, you can say. 1,2 addition product. So what is that 1,2 addition product means? Now that Cl minus ion, I'll be attaching onto the C plus. Okay, C plus. So here I'll be attaching. So I'll be getting the product like this: CH3, CH double bond CH. And here I have a positive charge on this carbon, so the chloride ion will be attaching. So this is one product I'll be getting. Okay, that is a 1,2 addition product we will say. Next, second product. So that means from the second intermediate, we'll be getting this product. So that is a 1,4 addition product. That means now the addition is taking place on 1 and 4 carbons. Okay. 1,4 addition product we'll be getting. So here positive charge on this carbon. Okay. So there chloride ion will be attached. So that means now I'll be getting the product chlorine here. So here there is a double bond CH2, CH3. Okay. So these are the two products we'll be getting. So thermodynamically, the major product, if you ask, that is 1,4 product is the major product. Okay, this is a major product here. So here what we have done means we attached hydrogen and chloride ion here and here. This is 1,2. Okay. So that is 1,2 addition we have done. Next, 1,4 addition, that means here and here. Okay, that is 1,4 addition. This is here and here. If you add, that is 1,4 addition. So both the additions can happen. Okay, 1,2 and 1,4 additions both can happen. So thermodynamically more stable product. What is the major product? If you ask, 1,4 addition product will be the major product. Okay, slightly higher amounts will be getting. Right. So let us go with the next second one. B, hydration of 2-methyl 3-hexene. Hydration means we are going to add water molecule to the 2-methyl 3-hexene. So 2-methyl 3-hexene means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3-hexene and 2-methyl here. So this is the compound. It was given now substrate molecule. Now for this addition of water we have to do. So water addition generally will be doing addition in a acidic medium will be doing. So that means a H2O addition in the presence of acidic media. Okay. So in H2O, definitely first H plus ion will attack. So as I already told you, H plus ion is tend to attack on the higher electron density region. So that means a double bonded carbon. So let us take this H plus ion is attacking on this carbon. Okay. So once the H plus ion attacks that carbon, so here on that carbon, we'll be getting positive charges. So here there is a double bond nearby. So that double bond is tend to move towards the positive charge now. So now the double bond, that means pi electrons will move towards it. So the positive charge will be shifted to this carbon now. this carbon will get the positive charge now because the pi bond is moved from this carbon to the next carbon. So now this is turning out to be this carbocation. So here I have CH2 now, single bond, and here CH plus, so CH3 twice we have, and we have a hydrogen here. So now whatever carbocation here I have is secondary carbocation. So but this secondary carbocation can undergo a rearrangement to give the tertiary carbocation. So that means now what will happen here is 1,2 hydration. That means this H hydride H minus ion will move to this place and the positive charge will shift to that hydrogen place. So that is called 1,2 hydrate shift. So after 1,2 hydrate shift, we should get a stable intermediate. So we will be getting a stable intermediate. That means tertiary carbocation will be getting. So now here 1,2 hydride shift is going to be happening. So after 1,2 hydride shift, so you'll be getting here hydrogen attached to it. So here this carbon gets the positive charge. Right. So now OH minus ion will attack on this carbon. So to give the final product to us. Okay. So now OH minus ion will be attacking to this. So I'll get the final product from here. So now the carbocation here I have is a tertiary carbocation, so most stable intermediate. Okay, after 1,2 hydrate shift, most stable intermediate we got. So this will be the final product and major product. So here CH2 and here OH attached to it. Right, so this is the final product we'll be getting in the second case. So hydration of 2-methyl 3-hexene. Okay, 2-methyl 3-hexene hydration, the final product is this. Next, so the third one we'll see. Third one is a hydrobromination of 2-methyl 3-heptane. Hydrobromination of 2-methyl 3-heptane. So first 2-methyl 3-heptane will write. So total 7 carbons, 2-methyl here it is, 3-heptane here. So that is 2-methyl 3-heptane. Okay. So here hydrobromination, that means HBr we need to attach. So HBr we are going to attach. So again, it is an acid. So H plus ion comes out first, and that will attack the carbon, which is having higher electron density. That means a double bonded carbon it will attack. So when it is attacking the double bonded carbon, so let's say it is attacking here. So when it is attacking the double bonded carbon, the same thing like in the previous case, it will happen here. So I'll be getting CH3 twice CH, and here CH double bond, and here hydrogen attached. So I'll get the positive charge, hydrogen attached to it. So then CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so this is initially after the attack of H plus ion, it is there. So now the pi bond will move towards the positive carbon. So the positive charge will shift to the next carbon. So I'll be getting this. So CH3, CH. Now here positive charge will be shifting towards this. And here I'll be having CH2, 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 CH3. So now again here also, now it is secondary carbocation, so it is supposed to undergo 1,2 hydrate shift. So again, hydrogen from here. Okay, this hydrogen will move to the next carbon and the positive charge will shift to that carbon. So again, 1,2 hydrate shift you have to do. So after 1,2 hydrate shift, it will become a tertiary carbocation, a more stable carbocation. So that will give the major product from there. So positive charge shifted here. Okay, so positive charge shifted to that place. This hydrogen is shifted to this carbon. So now this is the tertiary carbocation I have. So now the bromide ion will attach to that. So the final product from here I'll be getting now. So the final product is CH3, here bromine attached to it. So here CH2, 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 next one more CH2, CH3. Okay, so this will be the final product we'll be getting. So the major product. Okay, so this is the answer for third one. So next, the fourth one will see complete hydration of 2-pentyne. Complete hydration of 2-pentyne we have to. So first 2-pentyne will write. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So second carbon having the triple bond. So here it is. So this is 2-pentyne will be having. So complete hydration. That means we are going to add water molecule. So initially H plus ion, as usual, it will attack the higher electron density region. Okay. So when it is attacking the higher electron density region, so here there are two cases. Hydrogen can attack here and that carbon, or even it can attack on this carbon. So let us go with the first case. That means I'm going to take this carbon first. Okay, that means now the hydrogen is going to attack that carbon first. Okay, so C triple bond is here. So hydrogen H plus ion attacking this. So here positive charge I'll get. So whenever positive charge you got there, so the pi bond is trying to move to that carbon towards the carbon. So there pi bond moved and the positive charge will shift to the next carbon. Okay, so here after that we'll be getting CH3, C plus, and here there is a double bond there, and here we'll be getting CH, CH2, CH3. So now the OH minus ion is going to attach to this carbon. So I'll be getting, OH minus attached to the second carbon, this one. Okay, so this is what is going to happen. Now it is a enolic form. So this enol will undergo tautomerization. Enol will undergo tautomerization. So to give here C double bond O and here CH2, CH2, CH3. So this compound it will give. This is one product you can get. So the other product will say. So that means now the hydrogen is going to attach on the second carbon over there. Okay. So now hydrogen is attacking the second carbon. So this is case 2. So here hydrogen is attaching H plus ion is attacking there, so positive charge will be coming over here. So here double bond and here CH2, CH3. So now positive charge is there, so pi bond is trying to move towards that. So this will become CH3 and here CH double bond C plus, then CH2, CH3. Now OH minus ion will attach to that carbon. So here CH3, CH double bond, COH, CH2, CH3. Right, so now again it will undergo tautomerization. So after the tautomerization, now it will convert into the corresponding ketone. So now it will become CH2, C double bond, O, CH2, CH3. So this will happen there. So this is a complete hydration of the products. Okay, so complete hydration products of 2-pentyne, right? So among these two products now, two pentanone, 3-pentanone I got. So among these two, more symmetrical ketone will be the major product. So this is the major product here, more symmetrical ketone. Right, so next one more is there, 1-heptene attached with the water. So let's see that. So 1-heptene. So 5, 6, 7. So 7 carbons and 1-heptene it is. So CH2 and here CH, CH2, CH2. So this is 1-heptene. So water molecule I have to attach to it. So in acidic media, he said. So again, H plus ion attack will be there. So now this H plus ion attack will do it on the first carbon so that I'll get the most stable carbocation. So you can do it on the second carbon also, but less stable carbocation, primary carbocation will come in that case. So whenever you are attaching H plus ion, you focus to get the most stable carbocation from there. Okay, so here H plus ion attached on the first carbon. So now I'll be getting the positive charge shifted to the second carbon. So here I'll get CH plus and here hydrogen attached to it. So here hydrogen attached. So now the OH minus ion obviously attacks onto the second carbon. So now from this I'll be getting final product. So CH3, CH2, CH2, again CH2, CH2, and here secondary alcohol will be the final product. So this is the final product you'll be getting, right? So hope you got your answers. So thank you. And all of you, please support the channel and many more to come, many more lessons, many more concepts we are going to discuss in this channel. So all of you, please subscribe and support us. Thank you.